guys, my name is Gaza and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at how to speed up your computer by deleting chunk files. So let's see how we are going to do it. Now there are two ways your computer stores chunk files. The first one is the chunk files that your Windows provide, and the second one is the chunk files that your installed apps provide. So we are going to show you how to delete those chunk files that your Windows provide and those that your installed apps also gives you. So let's start. Now if you want to delete the chunk files that your apps that you've installed gives you, you go to your start menu, you right click and select run. Otherwise you use the shortcut, that is the start key plus R. You get the run command. Now as you can see, we have this command percentage temp percentage percentage temp percentage. Now this is the command that we use to run the chunk files that our installed apps gives us. So if I click OK, it is going to give us, these are the chunk files that our installed apps has given us. So if I go to the address bar, you can see that it is inside the user app data local, and these are the temporary files. So I will delete all of them because whenever I open a new app or software, it will create its own data or caches. So right now that I'm going to use a particular software, I don't need these particular chunks which are going to slow down my computer. Okay, so I would delete them, and in fact not all of them can be deleted. Some of them, because there are some apps that it is still opened background, you can't delete them. Those that are not running, they will get deleted. So we delete them. You can see we are deleting all these chunk files, and you see this action can't be complete because the file is opened in smartapp.exe. Now this app is running background, so there's no way we can delete it. I can go and quit that app and continue with the deletion, but since I don't want to quit that process, I'll just leave it and skip that one and move on. Now all my chunks files that my application has given me has been deleted. Now we are going to look at how to delete those chunk files that your system, that is the Windows providers, and that one we're going to use the same command but with a different command, that is Control plus R. Now here the percentage will not come, so I'm going to delete this percentage and this percentage. So if I run this, you can see that it has opened a page for us, and look at the address here. Now this is our C drive, our Windows, and our temporary files. So these are the chunk files that our Windows provide us. So we will delete them. Since we are not in need of it, we will delete them. And as we said, not all of them can be deleted. Some of them will still remain. So you can see that we have two of them still remaining, but the majority of them has been deleted. So this is how you can delete your chunk files that has been provided by you, by your installed apps or your Windows. Now our system can speed up a little because we've deleted some chunk files. Another way we can speed up our computer is by emptying our recycle bin. Now the recycle bin, as we all know, stores deleted files. Files that we've deleted are stored in the recycle bin temporarily, so that whenever it was a mistake that we deleted those files, we can recover them. So if you know you don't need those files that you deleted, you can just head to your recycle bin and empty it. It also speeds up your computer. Now another way we can also speed up our computer is performing a disk cleanup method. A disk cleanup method. And now we can search disk cleanup by using the shortcut Windows S. Then we type disk cleanup, disk cleanup. Disk cleanup. Now we select the third one. Free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Free up disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Okay, so now it gives us the drive that we want to delete unnecessary files from it. Either we are going to delete them from the C drive or the D drive. In my case, I've partitioned my drive into two, that is the C and D. So if yours has been partitioned into series, you get all the drives that you can clean up from chunk files. So in my case, I'm going to delete the chunk files in my C drive. So I will select the C drive and then click OK. And it's going to calculate for me the number of chunk files available for me to delete. Now this method takes a little bit of time, and I'm going to pause it and wait for the calculation. Okay, so this has been very fast because I've already cleaned my system. If yours has not been cleaned for a very long time, it will take a long time to calculate all those chunk files. Yes, so as you can see here, my disk cleanup setup has been opened, and these are the programs that are not necessary, or the programs that have unnecessary files to be deleted. Now you can see that for downloaded programs, I have already done a cleanup exercise. That is why you can see 0 bytes. It doesn't mean I don't have anything under my downloads. If I open my downloads, all my files that I've downloaded will still be there. But these are chunk files that I don't need. If I open my downloads, like, okay, let's see my downloads, you can see that I have files. But over here, it is telling us that we don't have any file here. These are chunk files. I have first deleted them. That's why you have seen 0 bytes. Otherwise, there will be some chunk files that I will be deleting. So as you can see, okay, so you can see these are the folders that have chunk files, as I was saying, that we can delete. And as you can see, offline pages that I downloaded offline if I don't need their caches and everything. And you can see here, per user archive window error report. These are error reports that have been stored in the memory. I don't need them. They are only taking up space and slowing down my computers. So these are files. You see, but the recycle bin is here. I have 117.8 gigabytes that I have to clear off. Deleting them will speed up my system. So I can select everything here and then delete the chunk files from it. I don't need these chunk files. I don't need them. They slow down my work. They slow down my system. They slow down my PC. And I would say, now, if you want to know about this cleanup, you can just click on this one and read more about it. They don't clean your important files. They only clear off chunk files. They clear off chunk files. They don't clean your important files. They only clear off chunk files. So you can read it from here. This is the help. And if I click OK, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? I surely want to delete them. I don't need them. And it will take a little bit of time and everything will be cleaned up. And it is taking much time because of the recycle bin. See, it was having 17.8 gigabytes data that I don't need. I've deleted them, but they are still on my system. I don't need them. I have to delete them and have my computer running. So I will just pause it and continue when the thing finish deleting the chunk files. Okay, so some of them would need administrator's permission before you can delete them. Just like this one, the CR77710. They need administrator's permission before they can continue with the process. You can skip them if you don't want. You can continue. And you say do this to all current files. I don't want to be disturbed about these same prompts. So if I want to skip those that I need administrators permission, I will just click on them and then skip it. If I just want to keep them, I skip. If I don't want to, then I click on continue. Okay, so in my case, I want to delete them. I don't need them. because if they are important, whenever I start a process, they will come back again. But right now, I'm not starting and I'm not doing anything relating to them. What I'm going to do, I don't need them. So I need my computer to be running as fast as it can. Okay. So I'll just pause it. And when everything new comes out, I will let you know. Okay, so it is done cleaning up and it vanishes or quits automatically. You don't need to do anything. It will quit it automatically. Now my system, you can see what my icon just did. Everything started afresh and my system is running very fast. Very fast. I've deleted chunk files. I've deleted chunk files, unnecessary files, files that I don't need them. And I've not lost anything important on my system. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.